Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide any post in your Facebook account. So if you want to hide any post in your Facebook, what you need to do is simply open your Facebook application and then go to that particular post that you want to hide. So for example, here you can see that, for example, I want to hide this particular post right here from my profile. So in order to hide this particular post right here, what I can do is simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top of this post. Then once I have clicked here, you can see the last option which says hide from profile. Here you can also see that this post might still appear in other places, but eventually it will disappear from your profile completely. So in order to hide this post, simply click on this hide from profile button, and it will ask you for a confirmation, and then you can click on the confirm button and the post will be hidden from your profile and it will no longer be shown on your Facebook timeline. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.